Congratulations. Binabati kita kasi ako yung mapapangasawa. Ngayon pa lang, humihingi na ako ng paumanhin sa'yo dahil pagkatapos nito, ng kasal na to, tutulo ang pawis mo, hihingalin ka at tiyak na mapapagod ka.
Next mo.
Way back 21 years ago, nung second year high school pa tayo, naging crush kita noon dahil nung panahon na yun, crush ko si Heart Evangelista. And feeling ko kamukha mo siya. Alam ko nung una, hindi mo ako napapansin kasi busy ka sa pag-aaral mo. Pero alam ko sa loob mo na balang araw ay mapapasa akin ka rin at ikaw ang gagawa ng mga assignments ko na natupad naman.
Punong-puno ako ng pasasalamat dahil sa 2 dekada at 1 taon. Sa masayang pagdiriwang at sa mga panahon ng matinding pagsubok. Hindi mo kinalimutan na piliin, ipaglaban ako. Piliin ang kakulitan namin ni Coco. Piliinan tayo. Pipiliin ka. Yan ang isang pangako ko na hindi magbabago. Sa wakas, sweetheart, love ko, pa. Ito na. Narating din tayo dito. May naipanalo na tayo.
Hindi ko na mamalayan na nagbabago na pala ako. Dati, mas mainitin ang ulo ko. Ngayon, hindi na masyado. Kasi, hawakan mo lang ang kamay ko, napapababa mo na high blood pressure ko.
If I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
We are gathered here today in the eyes of God, in the presence of the parents of the groom, the parents of the bride, and of course the principal sponsors, the secondary sponsors, and to all loved ones, relatives and friends here to celebrate one of life's greatest moments of 2 special persons, to give recognition to the worth and beauty of love, and to add our best wishes and blessing, which shall unite Earl Marco and Tiffany Jill and the holy and lawful band of matrimony.
If I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told.
Ikaw ang tanging gusto ko at kailangan. Mamahalin kita, mamahalin ko ang lahat sa'yo. Ikaw at ako habang buhay. Tayong dalawa, mahal na mahal kita.
Earl Marco Castro Oichoktu. Do you take this woman, Stephanie Jill Cachero Armenta, to be your lawful wife, and do you solemnly promise before God that you will love, honor, and keep her in sickness or in health, and to be true and faithful husband as long as you both live? Yes, sir.
Just know that these things will never change for us. If I lay here,
Marriage is a most honorable state, signifying unto us a mystical union. May this marriage be adorned by true and abiding love and that same special union.
Walang ayawan na to, walang sukuan. And syempre, kahit na you'll be going on your separate ways as husband and wife, we are always here, your dad, and me will support you always. Syempre, I love you.
Thanks.
And Earl, yan, alagaan mo si Tiff ng buong buo, and lalo na din yung binubuo niyong family. Love namin kayo both. Kahit ilang beses mo pa ako unfriend sa Facebook.
We grew up together because simula nung bata siya, nakwento lang niya sa akin yung buong buhay na ngayon. So, feeling ko, alam niya naman kung gaano ka-detail oriented si Tiff. So, parang feeling ko nandun ako sa mga kwento niya kahit wala ako doon. But kidding aside, sa 8 years of friendship, I can say that we've been through a lot. Actually, kaming tatlo. We've been through a lot. That's why today, isa ako sa pinakamasayang tao. Isa ako sa pinakamasayang tao to witness the reunion. So, parang ang tagal-tagal namin hinintay itong time na ito.
Patuloy niyong mahalin ang isa't isa, respect, and kung ano mang pagsubok, yun nga, ang sinasabi ng karamihan is put God in center of your relationship. At mahal na mahal namin kayo ang narito, at sobrang na-appreciate namin yung time na hindi niyo kami nakalimutan sa special moment na ito. Congratulations!
Always, you are always there. You showed him the true meaning of being loved. So please don't stop being that way, being you. What other people said or might say should not matter, because what should only matter is your heart and the one beside you.
Tagal na kayo ni Earl, pero this time magkakalayo pa yung lugar. I would say faithfulness and trust ang kailangan pairalin this time. Yes!